आखिर सुशांत का डिमाइस कैसे हुआ? जहां एक तरफ एम्स की रिपोर्ट एक कंक्लूजन पे पहुंची है, वहीं सीबीआई का कहना है that they are still looking at all aspects of the case, leaving the actor's family and fans angered about the delays in finding answers. The special team of forensic experts from AIIMS, who were given the responsibility of re-examining Sushant's forensic report and autopsy findings, have reportedly conveyed to CBI that it did not find any evidence of foul play or any proof that may indicate the actor was involved in a struggle with another individual who may have caused his demise. They have reportedly concluded that, as suggested by the Mumbai police earlier, the actor allegedly caused his own demise. However, a leaked audio clip, which supposedly has the voice of Dr. Sudhir Gupta from AIIMS, claiming that there was foul play involved, went viral after news broke of the AIIMS finding, causing confusion and uproar again and raised doubts about whether the AIIMS team has changed its mind. The Central Bureau of Investigation is still working on the case. A statement issued by the central agency said, CBI investigations related to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is still continuing and all aspects are being looked into meticulously. Times Now has also reported that since the AIIMS findings are similar to previous forensic and autopsy reports, the CBI may pursue the abatement charge included by Sushant's father, Mr. KK Singh, when he filed an FIR in Patna accusing Riya Chakrabarti and her family of driving Sushant to cause his own demise. लेकिन अब लगता है कि सुशांत के परिवार और एम्स टीम के बीच तनाव बढ़ता जा रहा है. Sushant's family is now demanding a forensic re-examination and are questioning the medical team's alleged U-turn after the audio clip of Dr. Sudhir Gupta was leaked. The AIIMS panel has reportedly responded to the family's criticism and doubts about their findings and said that a panel of 7 experts have looked into all the concerns that were raised. सारे शक और सवालों के जवाब पूरी जांच पड़ताल के बाद दी गई है और पैनल को कोई शक नहीं है कि सुशांत के गुजर जाने की वजह क्या थी. The Mumbai police, which came under massive criticism when many media outlets, celebrities and the family accusing them of a botched up investigation, has also reacted through a senior police official who said that they stand vindicated. The Mumbai Police Commissioner has said in an interview, "We all stand vindicated by these findings of AIIMS. The court didn't find any fault with our investigation. Without knowing anything about our investigation and without having seen our report, some vested interests criticized our investigation. It seems like all those involved will now be looking towards the CBI to find answers to this very complicated case."